We thank you so much for guiding our minds and touching our hearts so such. You shaped our lives and helped us to grow. We're grateful for all that you do, you know. You've been there to support us through thick and thin, a friend and a mentor, a guiding light.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Kim. Thank you po sa pagtuturo. Love you. Day. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Kim. Teacher Day po, Ma'am Kim. Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Kim. Salamat po sa anong pagtuturo. Ayun na po, I love you. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Kim, at salamat po sa pagtuturo sa amin.
Sige na.
Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Kim. Salamat sa pagtuturo po sa amin.
Lakasan mo. Go.
Happy Teacher Day, Ma'am Kim. Thank you po. God bless. Ma'am Kim, salamat po sa pagtuturo sa amin. God bless you po. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Teacher Kim. Salamat po sa pagtuturo. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Kim. God bless po. Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Kim. Ingat po kayo lagi. God bless po. Salamat po sa pagtuturo. Teacher's Day, Ma'am Kim. Happy Teacher's Day po, Teacher Kimberly.